How to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to turn on dark mode on Instagram app. Let's just jump right in. Once you open up Instagram here, what you need to do is find the profile icon at the bottom right corner and just tap on it. Once you tap on profile and head over there, find the menu icon at the top right and you'll get over to your settings menu. And from your settings menu, you need to scroll down here and find dark mode. So if you don't see it here, you can use the search bar up top as well. Now you just scroll down and find the accessibility settings over here and then tap on dark mode. From here, it's currently set to default, system default. So if my system is on light mode, it will be light. And if my system is on dark mode, it will be dark. So I'll go over here and just go ahead and turn on dark mode. And as you can see here, Instagram has been changed into a dark mode. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.